All right, let's go out in the noisy outside. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Pixel 7 Pro. Check out how smooth that is. That's actually incredible. It looks so good from where I am here. I just started shooting, but it's not overheating at all yet. I mean, we'll see. We're in the sun. I mean, look at that. That is amazing. You think the Pixel 6 Pro could do that? No way. It's very, very smooth. Actually, let me jump down the curb here so you can see. Tell me how that looked. But yeah, this is right around where I work. Zooming is very, very smooth now. No way was it the same thing on the Pixel 6 Pro, because it had to like move between, move between the lenses. But Best Buy is right over there. That might be, oh, look at that super res zoom. Oh, that is so good. This looks so good. I'm so excited that I got to try this early. Come get it at AT&T, I'll help you out. I'll get it to you for probably free or like $100. But yeah, let me know how this looks. I'm gonna try some more zooming. Now it does take a second, as you can see, for like the super res zoom to kick in. But like, look at that. I am zoomed 20x. 20x full zoom right now. You can see probably some of the stuttering since I'm just holding it, but I mean, that's good. That is really, really good. And I'm in very harsh sunlight right now. It also doesn't have that problem that the Pixel 6 Pro did, where it would like, when you would zoom in on the Pixel 6 Pro, and then it would take a second, and then it would shift to the other lens, or it would start res zoom, super res zoom. So it doesn't have that problem. It's incredibly smooth between all three lenses, and I think this one's going to be a winner. I think this is the camera that we were waiting for. I'm super hyped about this. Also hyped about this, but that's a different video. So yeah, let me know how it looks. Let me know how it sounds. I will put in the description whether or not I put the speech enhancement on. I don't remember off the top of my head, but I'll also do some selfie testing and see what this harsh sunlight environment. I mean, it's this is how Virginia is all the time. It's blue skies and direct sunlight. So we'll see how it is. This is 4K on the selfie camera. I want to see what this sounds like. I don't think the speech enhancement is enabled, so keep that in mind. I'll update this if it is not. Oh, that looks really good. Look how harsh this condition is. That's literally the sun. Like, I know you know it's the sun, but like, I'm shocked that it's like, look how calm this is. That's crazy. That's ridiculous. I'm looking directly into the sun right now, and I am not out of focus. That's crazy. That's ridiculous to me. So 10 out of 10. I better not hear any hate about this. This is an incredible device. Way far beyond what I expected it was going to be as an iterative update. 100% worth it if you're going from the 6 Pro, which I have now, to the 7 Pro. Again, let me know how it looks, how the stabilization works. See if it looks normal, if it stabilizes pretty well. Again, this is 4K, 60 frames per second. And yeah, in this harsh sunlight, even look at this, like, I'm sweaty and the sun is here and it's not blown out. That's crazy to me. So here we have the Pixel 7 Pro. A huge step up from the 6 Pro. I think this is going to be a staple in the Pixel line. I'm very impressed so far.